Have you ever wished you had a simple tool to use anywhere, at any time, to feel calmer? It's exactly what we're going to do today. Complete guided EFT, or emotional freedom technique, that you can follow along with me from start to finish. Welcome back to Chronic Pain into Power, where we focus on mind-body tools that help you feel better, take your power back, and live the life that you deserve. EFT, or Emotional Freedom Technique, combines gentle acupressure with mindful phrases. You tap lightly on specific points on your body while focusing on the challenge that you want to release. And it helps calm your nervous system, lower stress hormones, and create space for clearer thinking. So I tried EFT recently, and the reason I'm making this video today to share with you, I could not believe how fast I felt relief. I did the routine along with the teacher that was showing a sequence, and I gave my pain a number in the beginning. Let's say it was like an 8. And at the end, you were asked to think about a number again. And we're going to do that today as well. That number after the sequence was drastically lowered. I was amazed. I've had years and years of chronic pain, and I've tried tons of modalities. I've never had something work so fast, ever. So let's get comfortable. And I want you to take a nice deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth at your own pace. Good. Feel into your body what you would like to release. Where do you need softening and letting go? Think about that spot or that feeling and give it a number from 0 to 10. So 0 would be no pain or no anxiety, and 10 would be the most, the worst pain ever, the most anxious. So just give it a rough number. It doesn't have to be exact. It's not going to be right or wrong. Any number you pick is right. When we do the tapping, it's a very gentle tap. There's no pain involved. It's just a gentle tap, bringing your awareness to that point, that meridian point. And I wondered about this myself. You can tap with either hand. You can even alternate during, like sometimes you'll be tapping under your arm, and you might find it's easier depending on which arm you're using. You might find you want to alternate hands in the middle, and that's okay. It still works. The phrases you say, they don't have to be exactly like a teacher might say them. You say the words that feel natural to you, okay? So there's really no right or wrong. It's very open. And it's still extremely effective. So make it personal. Make it so that it feels good saying it and not like foreign to you. Okay, I'm going to show you, I'm going to walk through the different tapping points. So we have the side of the hand, which is right here, then the top of the head, the inner corner of your eyebrow, side of eye on the bone. It's like right here, we're at the end of your eyebrow, like on your temple. You'll feel the bone right there. Under your nose, above your lip, under your bottom lip, but above your chin, in that like indent there, about an inch below your collarbone, and then under your arm, So for women, it's right around the bottom of your bra, or I've heard some people say midway. It really depends what bra you're wearing, but it's underneath your arm. Inside the wrist is optional, but powerful. It's fine if you're a little off. Like I said, your body will still get the message. We're going to start with a setup statement. Your first statement when going through your sequence should be naming what you're working on and continuing with how you love and accept yourself. So it might sound something like this. Even though I have this pain in my neck, I deeply and completely love and accept myself. And then continue on with your sequence. And usually you'll see people starting on the side of hand, but some people start on the top of their head. It's all up to you. But I think this is the most common. Even though I have throbbing pain in my neck, I accept how I feel, and I'm open to feeling calmer. Even though I have this pain in my neck, I'm willing to let it go. Even though I have this draining pain in my neck that feels heavy. Sometimes it takes over all my thinking and I can't concentrate. This pain in my shoulder, this pain in my neck that's on my mind a lot is something I know I can handle. Is something I know I can handle. This pain in my neck is not needed. This pain in my neck is temporary, and I know that. And being temporary means that it's going to go away. I know my body is healing. My body is working hard to heal my neck from surgery. When my neck is all healed, it's going to feel so free and light. Take a nice deep breath. So that is a sample of what going through all of your points might look like. Round 2 is for your positive shift. So as you go through each point, your statements are going to reflect the changing of the sensation like this. Maybe it's safe to not feel this pain in my neck. Maybe it's safe to not have pain in my neck anymore. It'll be so relaxing to not have pain in my neck anymore. I'm listening and respecting my body. And I know by doing that, I'm going to heal faster. I'm already feeling better right now. I'm open to feeling pain-free. I choose peace in this moment. What I'd like you to do now is take in a nice deep breath and let it it out. Good. See if you could give that sensation from earlier a number. Has your number changed? It's okay if it hasn't. We're still beginners. We're learning, and we will get there. But you might notice some improvement right now. I also noticed that I felt like this energized feeling. It was like a jolt of energy after I did it. Do you feel that a little bit? Yeah, it's really cool. So you can repeat your rounds until your number feels lower. The more you repeat your rounds, the calmer your body will feel. The more you practice, the quicker your body will be able to shift. Use this before a big conversation. I've also created a PDF for you to use if you'd like to practice more at home or anytime you just need to quiet your mind. You can't always control what's on the outside, but you can always control what's on the inside. Wayne Dyer. And watch how your inner chain. Okay, I just recorded a third of my video and it wasn't actually recorded. If you need to, you can always refer back to the video if you and I'd love to hear from you. Definitely, if you try this, whatever result you get, please let me know. I'm going to check comments to see what happened. I'm so excited to know if you found the same thing I did. I'm sending so much love and healing light. Namaste. So let's do it. Got this.